This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your Lenovo Tab is on the same Wi-Fi as the receiver, then swipe down and tap Screencast. Once done, the tablet scans for devices. If you see a Chromecast, TV, or Miracast name, tap it. You might be asked to allow permissions, accept location and network access so discovery works. Don't pause. Casting starts the handshake immediately, so keep the tab unlocked and stay near the router to avoid connection timeouts. After selecting the target device, wait for the pairing confirmation on both screens. Some TVs show a code you must accept. Once connected, decide whether you want full-screen mirror or app-only casting. Full mirror shows everything, app-only keeps notifications private. If the tablet offers resolution or frame rate choices, pick a lower setting for smoother video over congested Wi-Fi. Also, orient the tablet and set volume now so media starts right, and you avoid redoing the connection mid-playback. To finish, swipe down and tap Stopcast. That cleanly returns the tablet to normal. If you don't see the receiver, restart the Lenovo Tab and the target display and reboot the router. Many issues clear with a reboot. Make sure both devices are up to date and on the same Wi-Fi band, sometimes mixing too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz prevents discovery. If casting still fails, toggle location and Wi-Fi permissions. Then try again. That one fix resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.